Unit 1, Relationship of Biology with other branches of science. It is not possible to teach any subject without the help of other subject. One subject depends on the other. The relationship among the other branches of science is more than the relationship with other subjects, because the ideas in the branches of science are interlinked with one another and also common to every science. But there are deep and extensive in modern atmosphere that they are concerned as different subjects such physics, chemistry, biology, geology, geophysics, and genetics. So the biology teacher should be knowing the other branches of science also well. Then only the branches of science could be correlated. Biology and physics. Good living places, environment, climatic conditions of a place are very necessary for the living beings to live well. The below mentioned biology teaching on depending on physical science. While teaching the functions of the eye, we have to explain the process of lens arrangement in the camera and the traveling of light rays through the lenses and the occurrence of images. When it is not possible to explain the falling of image, it can only be explained through screens and candela, and falling of image can be correlated with the falling of image in the eye screen. The osmosis is taught in biology as how the plants take water through roots. The same osmosis is taught in physical science to explain the process of osmosis through specific activity, gravity. It is not possible to show the transformation of water through plants from the root. So, this process can be explained with the help of physical science. Osmosis experiment, the physical science of osmosis experiment. The internal root structure and the osmosis could be correlated in teaching. Similarly, sense parts like the eye, the ear, nose, tongue, skin, nervous system, tissue system, blood pressure, expansion and contraction of heart, the digestive food taken through the veins, and absorption of glands, walking, running, jumping could be correlated and explained with the help of physical science. In these activities, both biology and physical science are found mixed together. Hence, this branch of science is called biophysics. Biology and chemistry. Biology concepts and the concepts of chemistry are closely related. They are as follows. The cell division, cell formation, and its components are based on the theory of molecule formation. In order to explain the strength elements found in our food, we have to explain them only with the help of chemical components like carbohydrate, protein, amino acid, fat, vitamins. We have to use a correlation between biology and the chemistry here. To understand some biological concepts like the quality of the gas in respiration, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, oxidation. We need the basic knowledge of chemistry. The biochemistry is very much helpful to understand this. The obstacles of the body sugar, urinary infection problems, other physical disturbances along the diagnostic gadgets used to detect disease on the basics of the human bodies. Citric acid cycle is an example. Correlation between biology and the other school subject. Biology and mathematics. The knowledge of mathematics helps biology trainee teaching to a great extent. The formation of the body is definite proposition is an example to this. Equations are used in many places in biology teaching. In the starch preparation of the plant carbons, hydrogen and oxygen are mixed in a definite proportions, like the measurement in the microscope used in biology experiment as marked as 1 micron is equal to 0.0001 millimeter. 1 millimicron is equal to 10 Armstrong. The number of small cells in the lungs ranges from 200 to 500. The total length of blood vessels in the human body is more than 1 lakh kilometers. The measurement of the heart is 9 cm at the broadest side, 13 cm in length, and it weighs 285 to 340 grams for men and 247 to 285 grams for women. Graphs play a prominent role in the learning to biology, particularly in heredity calculation. Mathematics knowledge is more employed. Biology and history. In history, the past events are arranged in order as the life of king or a nation is arranged in order in history. Uh, the life of living beings is arranged in biology. The inventions go biology, the effects or research are taught on the methods of history teaching. Similarly, while teaching history, the availability of food materials, production, occupation, and the establishment of roads are correlated. Biology and geography. Biology plays a role in the forest, mountain, plains, rivers, tanks that come in geography. The climatic conditions of the particular place help in the life of living beings. It also plays a role in that dimensional development. Hence, along with the composition of the body of the animals, the nature of the land of their inhabitation should also be explained. Likewise, how the creatures of the sea and the creatures of the forest get their body compositions differently should be explained, and also how their food habits change and the differences in their body features should be taught through correlation between biology and geography. Biology and languages. We employ the language only to express our ideas to others. No concepts can be expressed or dreamed of without a language. Similarly, for understanding the concepts of biology, theories and thoughts and to express them to other language is a must. So, language and biology go hand in hand and are correlated with each other. Biology and drawing. In biology, drawing is an important act. Line drawings, diagrams drawn in the record notebooks, drawings drawn on the blackboard, cartoon, concept math, drawing of a real object, or possibly only by practicing drawing skill. If the fundamentals of the drawing aren't learned clearly, it can be of a great help to biology classes. Biology and other arts. The craft teachers teach the students as to how things can be made by making use of wood, metals, papers, and the clay. Students can make use of the knowledge to make teaching aids by themselves, and this can be create in students an experience of doing things and learning biological concepts. Biology and environment. The surroundings in which the living organism live is called the environment. There are two important factors in the natural atmosphere. They are animate and inanimate things. Things that is, things with life and objects without life. Only when the knowledge of power or sunlight, the gases of the space, climatic condition is present adequately, then the knowledge of the creatures of these places and their activities could be understood clearly. Man depends on plants and animals for his food and protection. Likewise, animals depend on other animals and plants. The connection between the living and non living things could be correlated to the atmosphere and thought of the students. In the above mentioned ways, biology teaching could be correlated with other subjects and natural setups in order to make biology teaching very effectively. Students can get the full knowledge and learning experience, and ultimately more skills could be developed in the students. The benefits of correlation. Correlation brings integration or to lesson plan. It helps brings the complete development of the students. It connects the society and the school. It brings the ideas and concepts to the close connection. It bifurcates ideas as against single thought. It creates interest in learning. It brings broad-minded in teachers. It motivates the teacher to learn more subjects and concepts. It encourages learning by doing. It helps natural learning. Limitations. It is not possible to correlate all subjects, and all teachers cannot follow correlation teaching. It can be practiced in higher classes because The Kaya classes students have got more to learn. In order to use correlative teaching, the subject should be flexible. The teacher should be having more interest and full freedom to act in using this. The students should be encouraged to learn in this method. Even if it is one subject, if it is correlated with the student's life, students will have more involvement in learning. Thank you.